What exactly is the short story? In the recent class, I was asked, what is a short story? My first answers were that it was something that could be read in one sitting and brought an illumination to the reader, sudden and golden, like sunlight cracking through heavy cloud. I went on to say that, in my opinion, a real short story was closer to poetry than to the novel. Not all my students are convinced. Let's discuss word count. When is short story too long to still be a short story? Is there any official point where a short story becomes a novel? Another where a novel becomes a novel? Is Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea truly a novel? Let's set an arbitrary limit of words. For now, let's agree that stories up to 10,000 words in length are short stories. I'm not trying to definitive here, so let's look at some definitions of the short story. My favorite is Bennett, something that can be read in an hour and remember for a lifetime. One writer said, the theme of a novel will not fit into the framework of a short story. It's like trying to squeeze a mural into a frame of a miniature. And as in the miniature painting, the details need to be sharp. The short story is an example of one faithful facet of human nature. Often a character undergoes some event and experiences something that offers him or her change. This is why it's said that short stories usually say something, often a small something, but sometimes delivered with such precision that can affect its exquisite, even a life-changing moment for some readers. Something similar to a religious experience or the witnessing never to be repeated scenes in nature. The perfect short story is written with a power sensitivity for languages, with a power's precision. The shape and sounds and rhythms of the words are more commonly parts of the effect than they usually are in novel. Just as in a poem, the bare words themselves are never the complete meaning. They interact with each other, their sounds do things. How they are placed on the page matters. The poem tries to create a piece of truth or insight into being human, and the form is so tight to sparse, and we can argue over exact meanings long into the night.